What's up, guys? So this past weekend was a chill weekend for me. I stayed in, I spent a lot of time, pretty much all my spare time, working on launching print-on-demand jewelry, message card jewelry from Awkward Styles on my Etsy shop. And I realized, my designs, they cannot slack. They need to be good. And that's how it took me so long to get not a lot of listings up. You guys know me. I love my automation. You know, I got almost 200,000 listings up on Amazon merch, yet I'm struggling to get these message card jewelry designs done. And I realized, you know what? There may be an easier way to go about doing this. And voila, what do you know? Creative Fabrica came through in the clutch. So I want to show you how you can get some pristine looking print-on-demand message card jewelry listings created on Etsy with minimal effort. Of course, you can go out of your way to customize it, change it up a little bit. Where you can really make a difference is customizing that primary thumbnail, because that has to be good. Otherwise, and I mean, it has to be better than good. If you just use the default, you're not doing enough, because you're going to get outworked by your competition, by people like me. So that's one little tip I would mention. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do it, how to launch it, and then where Creative Fabrica comes through with some really nice designs that are, of course, pre-made. You know what I mean? Two of my favorite words. Or is that one word? I don't know. Anyways, let's get right to it. Real quick, guys, in the description, you'll find a link to my free print-on-demand mini course and my print-on-demand Facebook group. So I hope you check those out. So I mentioned Awkward Styles. They recently added their message card jewelry. They've got necklaces, they've got bracelets, and they're expanding their catalog. So I dove in there and added a bunch of new pieces to my Etsy shop. By the way, they also, if you didn't know, they have a separate page for each type of jewelry where you can get like additional images, like information on them, like sizing charts, stuff like that. And I love this, they have videos. So I wanted to shout that out too. And I'll link to an example of one of the pages in the description just so you can check it out. Now, I say that because I want to show you how we can go about designing them using Creative Fabrica's really wide variety of designs that are pre-made. But first, how do we know what niche to sell in? So I used Alura and their suite of Etsy seller tools, specifically the shop analyzer. And I looked at some of the best-selling shops when it comes to print-on-demand jewelry, exported the best-selling listings here, and then used text filters so that I was only looking at whatever jewelry type it is that I wanted to sell. So in this case, necklaces. But wait, it gets better. If I have a niche in mind, I can go to the same filter and type in Valentine's Day if I want to target Valentine's Day jewelry, and that's it. So I said a lot in a short period of time there. Obviously, this is a very nuanced process, but I did just want to show you guys, like, you know, gift for boyfriend Christmas, gift for girlfriend, girlfriend jewelry birthstone, girlfriend necklace gift, girlfriend Christmas gift, Valentine's Day, to my soulmate love knot, girlfriend necklace gift, Valentine's Day, Christmas, wife necklace, girlfriend necklace, anniversary. So a lot of generic stuff here. But getting us on the right path, obviously you would expect that, you know, those are like the, at a minimum, the primary themes that we'd be able to make some sales. But you can also see in these columns over here, the monthly sales, the favorites. So those are good indicators of how many sales we can project us making in the future. So now I'm going to jump on over to Creative Fabrica. This is what I really wanted to show you in this video, but I wanted to prime you with why we are here looking for what we're going to look for. And I'm just going to type in message card jewelry. All right, it is sometimes that simple. Like there's no website like Creative Fabrica, guys. They have everything. I don't know the last time I typed something in and didn't get a search result related to what I was looking for. They've even got like Martin Luther King Day jewelry, guys. I mean, like they have everything. So you got bride templates here, to my beautiful bride. It comes with text on it. Of course, you can always write over the text if you need to. It looks like it comes in an Adobe Illustrator file, so you'll have the text layer included, and then JPEG, PNG, and EPS format as well. So you can upload it straight away as is if you just want to get some done really quickly. To my soul sister, which, by the way, you can sell these on Etsy, but you can sell them on other platforms as well, with or without the integration. If you're going to offer customization, by the way, you don't even really need the direct integration, because there's going to be a manual step for you anyways. So think outside the box. Maybe list them on eBay, list them direct on Amazon through Seller Central. Why not? Soul Sister here, by the way, these design templates, I spent the most amount of time probably this weekend, like trying to figure out how to create a good enough looking design, and of course writing the text on them, because like I said, I don't want to copy people, but I also I need some inspiration. So I'll go look and read what my competition's doing, and then I'll kind of freehand it, but also try to make it sound good. Amazing little sister to our granddaughter. And again, you can decide what part of this, what aspect you want to offer personalization on. But these are some really nice designs and nice color schemes. They got the patterns in the background, the floral edges, great font selections as well. To my bonus mom, happy Mother's Day. Whoa, this one's crazy. You got the like neon green against a black background. Hey, I'll tell you what though, that'll stand out. You're not gonna have much competition on that color scheme right there. What is that about? You are the reason every day I watch my child growing and learning, becoming inquisitive. Okay, so maybe for your wife, I guess. To my fiance's beautiful mom. All right. To my fiance's beautiful mom. Interesting. Maybe leave the beautiful part off there. I don't know. To my beautiful daughter, to our lovely granddaughter, to my soulmate. I love that green color scheme. Another one to my soulmate, to my beautiful daughter-in-law, to my mom. I appreciate you. Just a generic one. Guys, sometimes the generic ones too. You're not restricting yourself to a specific time of year. That's kind of, you know, I think we want to make year-round sales, don't we? So I would go down that route if I had to choose. To my soulmate, though. And you're going to want to use the AI layer, by the way. I'm assuming, I don't know for sure. I haven't downloaded all of these, but you want to make sure that if you upload as is, that you don't have the actual jewelry there, because whatever platform like Awkward Styles, they're going to add the jewelry in their mockup generator for you. So you don't want to have like 2 layers of jewelry in the image. Most likely would not look good. So make sure you turn off the jewelry layer if it's not already done for you. Just a quick reminder. Some of these are better than others. Like this to my daughter one, I'm not a huge fan of with the red, and I don't know. It just seems like that font is a little bit too thin. So yeah, some of these are definitely better than others, and I know there's been bundles too. I saw the bundles earlier. Yeah. Message card design bundles. Let me go back up to the top and type in bundle. Message card bundle. Boom. So they've got even Canva templates. It looks like creative message card designs. I mean, check this out, guys. Bundles on bundles on bundles. There's really no excuse not to get just a ton of these posted. Zig while people zag. You guys, I post daily sales updates to my Instagram where I show you my Amazon print on demand sales. The majority, I do sell a lot of coffee mugs. I sell a lot of hats. I sell a lot of shot glasses. I sell things that, I mean, I guess coffee mugs are a little bit more obvious, but I sell pillowcases. Like I'm willing to get into a little bit more of the like random niches that initially you're like, well, does this work? But at least put your best selling designs or some of your favorite designs on them. And then if they start moving, put some more designs up there. You know, you may have stumbled onto something, and, you know, definitely reduced competition relative to selling like t-shirts. Not that I don't love selling t-shirts. You guys know I do. You see my merch sales as well. I post daily sales updates, but message card jewelry. I mean, why not? You know what I mean? There's really no excuse too. Now that you've seen, because you can also come down here and just use like some of these simpler, like these aren't nearly as impressive. They don't have like the floral patterns or anything like that, but these are still great jumping off points. You know what I mean? They have like the little borders and then the little square for your text in the middle. And they're also giving you ideas of niches, of themes for your jewelry. So you don't have to go through and do everything I showed you at the start of the video where you go and use Alora to pull some data. But I did just want to mention that, you know, this is out there, and it's good to know it's out there because Creative Fabrica, like they have everything, yet sometimes our brains deceive us and we don't think to go looking to Creative Fabrica in this case. And by the way, I mean, if you need fonts, obviously they've got, you know, a million fonts. Let's see. It's script fonts, by the way, script fonts on the message card jewelry. No excuses, guys. You know what I mean when I say script fonts, right? Like the more handwritten, nicer looking. I feel like this is a nice match for some nice looking message card jewelry designs as well. So check these out. Let me know what your favorite. Here you go. Soulmate. I mean, come on. Could you have asked for a better font right here? Grab the Soulmate font. Go download some of the message card templates. If you don't like the font family, or if you don't have the font that they used in the file installed, well, then just go to Creative Fabrica's font section and find a similar font, and then just switch the font that's not recognized to the one that you found that you like on Creative Fabrica in doing this, it's also a nice way of making your designs unique in case you have some other people that you're competing with that are using similar design templates, because obviously a lot of people are on Creative Fabrica. I think we can see here like how many people have favorited it. Like just this font alone, this is a font, but still 4,540 favorites. A lot of people using Creative Fabrica for obvious reasons. So anyways, I just wanted to mention, guys, like there's some money to be made here. This is a point I'm going to be making to expand my Etsy shop. I'm still, pushing t-shirts all the time. I'm using MyDesigns typically to do that, to get them done in bulk. By the way, guys, before I sign off, they let me know that they're running a promotion starting today from February 1st through February 6th, where they're going to give you a daily activity. It's like a bingo themed Valentine's Day promotion, and it's simple stuff like download this free bundle. You know what I mean? I think everybody can handle that. If you complete it every single day, you're entered to win a prize package worth over $500. So I hope that's somebody from this channel. Again, I have my link to Creative Fabrica in the description. I'll also drop a link to the promo in case you want to check it out. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please let the YouTube algorithm know by dropping a like. And hey, how about dropping a comment? Are you selling any jewelry? Are you planning on it this year? Let me know. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.